be doing a review on the Viking fork bag, saddle fork bag. What I like about this bag is very thick, it's durable. I like this raised emblem. Holds up to all sorts of writing. Very sturdy. It stays where you put it. It comes with long straps so it can fit on any kind of fork, and you just trim the excess. You trim the excess and it tightens down, it doesn't move. You can have it riding on your fender, or you can have it raised up like I do here. And it has these buckles, but it's a strap, and it uses a clip-in. So it clips, and the strap with the buckles for looks. I like the aesthetics of it. Clips open, and you just tuck in the rest in this little piece right here. There's two different types. I chose this one because I like the buckles. There's another one that's clean. It doesn't have any straps on the outside. I think it's a magnetic closure or Velcro, I'm not sure. But then it has a Velcro closure here for a double. And I like there's a lot of room. Holds a lot of stuff here inside. Some of the stuff in here, I pack it in. There's plenty of room. And it's just thick. You can just holds its shape really well. It's very deep. You can put a small backpack. This is a little backpack I have. It fits right inside. It's not bulky. Wipes down. If you're interested in getting one of these, it's a winner. You just choose the style you want. I'd make the purchase. Good job, Viking.